Hello students, in this video we will learn about two different types of natural disasters. One is volcanic eruption and another is tidal waves and tsunami. So both these disasters are quite powerful and they can cause severe damage to the environment and the people who live there. So let's start from the volcanoes. Well, in the previous class, we have learned that the interior part of the earth is divided into three main layers: crust, mantle, and core, isn't it? So, the core of the earth is made up of molten rock, which is called magma. So, when there is a crack in the earth crust, then this molten rock and magma try to comes out from the below the surface, and this is what is called a volcano. Okay, actually the earth crust is not the same in all region. So somewhere it weak and somewhere it strong. So a vent is the region where the earth crust is weak and develops a crack. So once hot magma comes out of the earth's surface, it is called lava. As you can see in this picture, when magma comes out, then it is called lava. Okay, so after a volcanic eruption occurs, a crater is formed at the region of vent. So you can see at the top a crater is formed. Actually, the volcanoes are of three types depending on how frequently they erupt. The first one is the active volcanoes. So active volcanoes are highly dangerous and may erupt at any time or have erupted in recent years. For example, Mount St. Helens in the United States, Mount Mayon in the Philippines, and one more example is Mount Lassen in the United States. So these are some examples of active volcanoes. The number two is the dormant volcanoes. So dormant volcanoes that have not erupted for a long period, okay, but may erupt in the future. For means there is a possibility to erupt. For example, Mauna Kea in Hawaii, Mount Edgiza in Canada, and Narcondam in Andaman Island of India. So these are some examples of dormant volcanoes. And the third one is the extinct volcanoes. The extinct volcanoes are not expected to erupt in the future. For example, Mount Ashitaka in Japan, Shiprock in the United States, and Judal in the Netherlands. So these are some examples of extinct